Hey guys, Joshua here, and today we're going to be taking a look at Monster Hunter World, the Collector's Edition. Now, if you pre-ordered the Collector's Edition, you will get a very nice bag with it, and inside there is this towel thing. Let's open it up and see. So you get this very nice towel thing that I don't know how you can use it, but yeah, you get this if you pre-order it, and also a controller skin. So you can stick this onto your PS4 controller if you would so like. Now, on to the collector edition itself. Bag down. Okay, now let's get this open, and I'm really excited about this. So it looks very nice. Even the box itself would serve as very nice deco. But I'm more interested on what's on the inside. Let's cut it open. Take this part out. So obviously on top you get the game itself first. So let's just remove this. Can't wait to open this up. And then you get the deluxe kit product code. So on the inside you have a layered armor samurai set, additional face paint, additional hairstyle which is the wyvern and top knot, additional gestures like Zen, Ninja Star, Sumo Slap, and also additional sticker set. So yeah, that's what you get inside. Now on the top of the box, you get the Monster Hunter World special soundtrack. So this is going to be like all the songs and everything that will be in the game also, and I actually really like the background music of Monster Hunter World. Like I've heard it online through trailers and everything, so I'm looking forward to listening to it. On the back, we also get a Monster Hunter World art book. So this, all the monster designs and everything, I'll flip through it in a bit and show it to you. And last but not least, it's going to be the... Oh, okay, I can get it out. Hold on, give me 1 second. And this is the Nergigante figurine. So let's open it up. So this is the figurine itself. It's not that big, but it is quite detailed. Man, this is beautiful. I'm gonna keep this on my desk, man. Continuing on, just a few quick thoughts on the game. So first of all, story mode will take around 70 hours accordingly, but this is just a minuscule fraction of what the game will have to offer, and the game controls have not changed much from previous games, so you will still have to take a while to get used to it if you are not like a veteran of the previous Monster Hunter games, and especially if you are a very new player who just picked this up. Now, Monster Hunter World is a very intricate game with a ton of things to do, so you can either hunt solo, or you can play with your friends up to 4 players if I'm not wrong. But bear in mind that as more players join the game will automatically up the difficulty, so it's a bit like Diablo 3 where the more players join, the mob gets stronger, the monsters get stronger, that sort of thing. For newbies to the game, there are some very well placed tutorials that will get you right into the game, which is a huge relief because the previous games, the tutorials was very bad, so you would hit a very steep learning curve and then you would give up like after a while if you didn't have the strength to persevere through. And even though there are the tutorials around, it is still quite tough, so something to bear in mind. The game doesn't spoon feed you at all, but things like crafting and looting have been significantly improved and made easier. Monster Hunter World is a game that's going to need you to actually commit quite a bit of time to get good at it. I think I read online that to get all the trophies and everything, it's going to take you about 300 to 400 hours, which is very long. But I do like the open world concept, and also that you won't get bored playing this if you are a fan of the Monster Hunter genre. So yeah, previous games have been worth it, and I'm very certain that I'm going to enjoy this game a lot. Anyways, enough talking. Let me know in the comments below if you will be playing this game, which weapon would you be using, and what you're looking forward to hunting. Like and subscribe for more of these collector's edition stuff unboxing, and happy hunting. Ciao.